Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this firecracker shrimp recipe. Okay, we're going to get started with this firecracker shrimp recipe. The first thing we're going to do is combine the sauce ingredients in this little bowl. And it seems like it's a lot of ingredients, but they're just, pretty easy to come by. The only thing that might be a little difficult to find is this crunchy garlic chili sauce. It's something that is becoming more and more popular. They had, I think it's Trader Joe's has one, something like a crunchy garlic. I don't know if theirs is called crunchy garlic chili, but it's pretty much the same thing. So we're going to use 1/4 cup of this, and that's pretty much what I have left in this, this jar here. I got this one at Kroger. And it's just so, I just love the crunch of it. It just adds so much texture to the shrimp recipe, so much flavor. It's just really, really good. And it's spicy, but it's tolerable. It's not crazy. We're gonna also add 3 tablespoons of honey, and this is a honey substitute. You don't have to use a honey substitute, but that's what I'm using. The honey substitute is sugar-free, of course. We've got 2½ tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, so that's going to give us a little bit more heat, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and I like to use ginger paste, it's just so much easier, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Get this all whisked together. Okay, we've got our sauce finished. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to put my pan over medium-high heat, and the recipe calls for a non-stick skillet, but I can't use a non-stick skillet on this burner. So I've got a cast iron skillet, and I sprayed it really well with cooking spray. So, but you could also just put some oil in the pan. Either way will work, but I like to use non-stick spray. So I'm going to let this come up to heat, and then we're going to cook the shrimp. I'm going to add the shrimp to the pan. My skillet's hot. This is 1½ pounds of large shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. So we're going to cook them until they're almost cooked all of the way through. I don't want to cook them all of the way through yet because I want to pour the sauce in and let that finish cooking the shrimp. Okay, we've got the shrimp about halfway cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and pour the sauce into the pan. So now we're just going to let the shrimp finish cooking and let our sauce thicken up. Our shrimp are finished. It only took about 5 extra minutes of cooking it in the skillet. So I'm going to transfer my shrimp to this nicer bowl, just so our shrimp will stop cooking. We don't want them to overcook. Okay, our shrimp are ready, so let's try a bite. Sweet, spicy. They are firecracker shrimp, so they're spicy, which is, if you're searching and looking for a firecracker shrimp recipe, I think you would want it to be spicy. So be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.